Welcome to Westchester Spinal Decompression Center, where pain ends and health begins. Hi, I'm Dr. Jonathan Donath of Westchester Spinal Decompression Center, where we deliver cutting-edge treatment for chronic neck and back pain. Our office and staff is geared towards supplying you maximum comfort during this uncomfortable time in your life. Most of the patients that come to see me have gone to physical therapy, gone to chiropractors, gone for spinal injections, gone to surgeons, and nothing's helped. In my practice, I have found that in most cases, I'm able to relieve their pain without pills, without shots, and without surgery.
Back in December, I was bedridden for so much pain. And I did go see a neurosurgeon, and I did go see a neurologist who both suggested that perhaps I would need some surgery. I tried other chiropractors in my area where I lived. They couldn't help me either. And I was to the point where I just didn't feel like doing anything. I have two little girls, 7 and 9 years old, who I couldn't play with anymore. When I went to go visit Dr. Donath, he sat down, looked over my test results, looked over my MRIs, and told me and explained to me in great detail what my situation was and why I was feeling the pain I was feeling. No other doctor did that really for me, so I was really grateful that he actually explained everything to me. And then after he explained everything and explained why the pain I was feeling, what was going on with my back, he looked in my eyes and said to me, "Chris, I can help you." And when he did that, I felt like for the first time I was actually with a doctor that can help me with my back pain.
Spinal decompression therapy is a highly successful, non-surgical, non-invasive treatment method for chronic neck and back pain.
I've found that spinal decompression is a wonderful way to relieve pain. Having gone in a few other directions before I tried it, I would definitely recommend this as a first step in relieving the pain from sciatica that I had. And it has a long-term results. It's over a year for me now, and I feel great. Best I've felt in years.
Spinal decompression naturally allows the body to increase disc height and remove pressure from the nerves. Many patients start to feel improvement within a couple of visits.
After each visit, I became less painful. I was able to start functioning better. My mornings got better. I'm at the point now where I'm about 3/4 of the way through these procedures, and I feel like a new person right now.
A typical session of spinal decompression, the patient comes in, I put them down, they lay down on a table, and there's comfortable belts that strap them in, and then the machine is hooked up to a computer, which pulls them at a very soft level, and we increase the weight as time goes on, and it'll pull them apart and then gradually go back and apart and gradually back. And we do that cycle over and over again for about 20 to 25 minutes. And what they get is a negative pressure in the disc that sucks the jelly part back into the disc and off the nerve.
The treatment itself is very relaxing. You're laying on the table, feel a little bit of a pulling motion, and actually most times I fell asleep during the treatment.
It feels very good. It's quite relaxing and comfortable.
Comparing the recovery from surgery and spinal decompression, there really is no comparison. My surgical recovery was many, many months, probably about a year before I was really resuming normal activity. Spinal decompression, I actually resumed a lot of my activities before I even completed the treatment.
Where other doctors have danced around the issue of my back pain and couldn't give me an answer, straight answers, what to do, Dr. Donath looked at everything he had in front of him, all my test results, all my MRIs, studied it, said he could help me, kept his promise, and sure enough, I'm a much better person because of him.
Once again, I'm Dr. Jonathan Donath. Now that you've seen a little bit of what we do in our office, I'd like you to call up and come in and see what we can do for you and make a difference in your life.